Ledo name. Ledo is a given name and a surname. It may refer to Lêdo Arroyo Torres 1894–1975, Uruguayan politician, Minister of Agriculture and Minister of National Defense. Lêdo Ivo 1924–2012, Brazilian poet, novelist, essayist and journalist. Japhet Ledo, former moderator of the General Assembly of the Evangelical Presbyterian Church, Ghana 1993–2001, 1001, as 2001, Joaquim Gonçalves Ledo 1781–1847, Brazilian journalist and politician. Porfirio Muñoz Ledo, born 1933, Mexican politician. Ricky Ledo, born 1992, Puerto Rican professional basketball player.